In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool new model I just designed. It is an origami table, and it's got the legs, and it stands, just like that. And you can tap on it like a drum, and here we go. It's pretty cool, and what's also cool about it is that it can spin. See? Just like that. See? It spins a little bit just like that. Move my cord. Okay, and I'm going to teach you how to fold it. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. So let's begin with the white side up, and let's fold in half. And let's fold in half the other way too. And fold the two sides to the middle. Okay, and do that in the other direction. Alright, and unfold, and fold this point to the last intersection point. And do that 3 more times. Okay, unfold, and fold this point to the first intersection. And do that 3 more times. Alright, just like this, and now turn over and fold this edge to this crease. Okay, and do that 3 more times. Okay, like this. And now we're gonna fold. So we're on this side right here, and we're gonna fold diagonally in half, and just crease right here on this triangle, and this triangle right here. You don't need to crease right here. Okay, and do that in the other direction too. Just fold on the 2 green triangles. Alright, and now fold the 4 corners to the middle. Alright, and now fold this point to there. And do that 3 more times. Okay, and now we're gonna take this and we're gonna unfold this flap here, and let's make this mountain fold here, and we're gonna make a pleat fold. So we're gonna take that fold and bring it on to this crease right here. Okay, and same on this side. So make this crease and bring it onto that fold. Okay, and let's do that 3 more times. Okay, and now we're gonna do is we're gonna pinch this part here, and we're actually gonna reform these folds here, and we're also gonna pinch this triangle. See? So we're just gonna kind of do like a rabbit ear kind of thing. So just kind of just collapse it just like that. All right, and fold the flap over to the right and to the left, just like that, and repeat that on the other 3 sides. So here we go. So pinch here, and remake these folds here, and then we can collapse this triangle like this. This is probably the hardest part of the model, I think. And do that with the other 2. Alright, and now just kind of just bring the legs up like this, and just make it so they stick straight up, and there is the finished table. And yeah, and I think it's a pretty cool model. It stands nicely just like this, and it can be like a little drum too. You can just tap it like that. So yeah, and if you want it to spin, make these 2 folds here, mountain folds. Okay, and then find a surface that's smooth and spin it like that, and it spins pretty well. And yeah, and I don't really know what else to say about it except it's pretty cool and it spins nicely. So there it is. Alright, hope you guys were able to do that. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye bye.